Hello medicos, welcome to my channel Medical Thunders. In this video, we are going to discuss about clinical anatomy of spinal cord with MCQ. Before attempting the questions, let's revise the topic once. In a child, the lumbar puncture is done at the level of L4 vertebra as the spinal cord extends till L3 vertebra. In the case of adults, as it extends till the level of L1 vertebra, lumbar puncture is done at the level of L3 vertebra to prevent the injury to spinal cord. Abnormalities of spinal cord given here are Coden's medullaris syndrome, Cauda equina syndrome, poliomyelitis, and tabes dorsalis. Coming to the Coden's medullaris syndrome, it is due to the injury to S2, S3, S4 segments of the spinal cord. Features of the syndrome are anesthesia in the perineum as the region is supplied by these three segments. Those are S2, S3, S4 segments. Next point, involvement of the bladder and bowel is early as the segments S2 to S4 carry sacral component of the parasympathetic system which supplies the bladder and lower bowel. Next point, sexual functions are affected as same nerves carry out the sexual functions as well. Coming to the next syndrome, Cauda equina syndrome is due to the damage to Cauda equina. It results in the lower motor neuron type of paralysis in the lower limbs due to the compression of ventral nerve roots. Next point, root pain is an important syndrome due to the involvement of dorsal nerve roots. Next point, bladder and bowel movement is late. Next, coming to poliomyelitis, it is a viral disease which involves the anterior horn cells leading to the flaccid paralysis of affected segments. It is a lower motor neuron paralysis. If poliomyelitis affects the upper cervical segments of the spinal cord, it may be fatal because of the involvement of C4 segment which supplies the diaphragm through phrenic nerve. Next, coming to tabes dorsalis, it occurs during the tertiary stage of syphilis. There is degenerative lesions of dorsal nerve roots and of posterior white columns. Next, coming to the features, there is severe pain in lower limbs as the disease occurs in lower thoracic and lumbosacral segments. From the picture, it is clear that tabes dorsalis is due to the degenerative lesions of dorsal nerve root and posterior column, and poliomyelitis is due to the infection of anterior horn cells by poliovirus. This is the case of poliomyelitis. Now, let's solve the questions. Coming to the first question, the syndromes of the spinal cord are given. Match those with the correct causes respectively. Pause the video and try to attempt the question. Hope you have attempted the question. Let's discuss the answer. We know that Conus medullaris syndrome is due to injury to S2, S3, S4 segments of the spinal cord. Next, Cauda equina syndrome is due to damage to Cauda equina. Next, poliomyelitis is the disease of anterior horn cells. Next, option D, tabes dorsalis. In this disease, there is degenerative lesions of dorsal nerve roots and posterior white column. Next, coming to second question, perineum is supplied by which segments of the spinal cord? Pause the video and solve the question. Coming to the answer, perineum is supplied by S2, S3, S4 segments of the spinal cord. So, in case of conus medullaris, these segments are injured, causing the anesthesia of the perineum. Therefore, option B is the correct option. Next, coming to third question, involvement of bladder and bowel is early in which disease of the spinal cord? Coming to the answer, option A is the correct answer. The reason is, in case of conus medullaris, S2, S3, S4 segments are injured. We know that these segments carry the sacral component of parasympathetic system to lower bowel and bladder. So, involvement of bladder and bowel is early in conus medullaris. Next question, nerve roots involved in Cauda equina syndrome are? Coming to the answer, option C is the correct answer. Both ventral and dorsal nerve roots involved in Cauda equina syndrome. Coming to the explanation, ventral root compression results in the element type of paralysis in lower limbs and involvement of dorsal nerve roots results in the root pain. Next question, poliomyelitis in upper cervical segment of spinal cord may be fatal due to involvement of which segment? Coming to the answer, option D is the correct option. The reason is C4 segment supplies the diaphragm through phrenic nerve. Next question, match the Cauda equina syndrome and poliomyelitis with the type of paralysis seen in them. To the answer, option 4 is the correct option. Lower motor neuron type of paralysis is seen in both the diseases. Next question, tabes dorsalis occurs during which stage of syphilis? Coming to the answer, option C is the correct answer. Tabes dorsalis occurs during tertiary stage of syphilis. Next question, in tabes dorsalis, the region that mainly affected is. Coming to the answer, option B is the correct option. Coming to the explanation, in tabes dorsalis, lower limb is the region that is mainly affected because it occurs in lower thoracic and lumbosacral segments. Coming to the next question, it is a assertion reason type of question. The assertion is there is severe pain in lower limb in case of tabes dorsalis, and the reason given is tabes dorsalis occurs in lower thoracic and lumbosacral segments. Coming to the answer, C is the correct option. Assertion and reason both are correct, and the reason explains the assertion. Coming to the explanation, we already know it from the previous question itself. There is severe pain in the lower limb in tabes dorsalis because it occurs in lower thoracic and lumbosacral segments. Coming to the next question, select the disease of spinal cord from the following in which sexual functions are affected. Coming to the answer, option A is correct. Sexual functions are affected in conus medullaris as same nerves carry out sexual functions as well. Hope you liked the video. Share this video with your friends and help them know their perfectness in this topic. And don't subscribe if you find this video is not helpful.